That's me, running in the green fields, doing the obligatory slow-motion twirl. In my dream dress. This is the story of how I made it.
This one, I am doing some smocking. I've started last year already, and I don't always have time to work on it. And if it takes me another year, it's also okay. I am so excited. Do you see that orange? That's where it stops. I am busy with my last row on the bodice. I finished the bodice and the pocket insets. Today's sewing space. I am busy with the last of the smocking, and this is the cuffs. And this is going to be like a princess seam inset on the side. And this is the pocket. So what will happen is this pocket will pull up to about there, and then it will look like this. So there's the side seam, and then there's my pocket. This will go into the princess seam and the sides. I feel like I've sewn 101 pleats, but it's not exactly 101. It's only 15. What I did is I kept it up into the light, and then you could see how the lines meet up. And on the other side, you can't really see. There's some places, but I think it's okay. So the back has got all its pleats, and I'm now going to use the front as a guide to cut my back piece. I got busy and I forgot to tape. But let me show you on the inside. I tried different ways of moving my cotton while I'm working. And in the end, I found that this works the best. I will do a tutorial on that still. When I did it, I didn't want to cut out the neck because I've done so much work already there. So I decided to let the back come forward. But that meant I cut the side out too much. So I just added a piece. I gave it a little dart there. And also, I left enough material and I thought I worked it out properly. But after the smocking, it pulled in quite a lot. So I ended up having to add in a piece, which I was not planning on doing. But it worked out for the better because that piece leads in to the pocket, and then I could just do the smocking on the back side. I will still iron that and sort that out. For the back, I just did pleats. I still have to go down with them. After I fitted it, I realized that they're not long enough, so I still have to go down to the pin there. But yes, I am really happy with the fit. It looks so nice on. And this is it on the other side. And there you can see the back. And this is the sleeves, and the cuffs will be like that.
I wonder what might become of them.
Finished the sleeves. I had to do another little row of smocking just to finish the cuff, and now I'm going to put gathering stitches on the top, and then I can set it into my dress, and then I only need to do the hem and the neck binding, and then I have my dress finished. Can't wait to wear this dress. I've pinned the neckline, but let's talk about binding quickly. The easiest way is to remember, on the straight, you pull it a little bit, very little. On the rounded parts, you pull it more. and then you can actually have a binding that lies flat. And then what I also do is when I get to the back, or when I finish, I fold it in and I fold it down. And now I'm going to sew on that edge right around. And then in the end, I will press it. But look here, you see it's making a little fold there. So that means I didn't pull it enough on this line. So before I'm going to sew it, I will actually undo this part and just pull it more on the curved edges so that it lies flat like this side. This side will lie flat completely. Another thing you can do with a neck binding is you're looking at about 1/8 to take away 1/8 or 1/6 of the amount that you need for around the neck. You might just have to play with, because it depends on the material and also on if the binding is cut on the bias or on the straight. Now this is stretchy material, so I just cut it on the straight. So I'm now on a curved part. So what's going to happen is I'm going to just start pulling it. Not a lot. And then I'm just going to hold it down. And this is the last corner. And now I'm just going to go straight. So when I go on the rounded part, I pull it quite a lot. But here I just pull it so it's down. I have pinned the sleeves in place. And now I'm just going to sew them in. This is the last things I have to do when this dress is finished. I just have to sew all of them down to there. I just love it.